Hello guys.
Wait,
So-
1 minute. Now.
Hello
Yeah.
guys. Today we are gonna cook some Turkish meal. Yeah. It names Hünkar Beğendi, and it's in English like Sultan like it.
Oh.
So
Okay.
It's quite old, I guess. It made with eggplant. We're gonna grill it actually, but we don't have any grill, so we're gonna just bake it in oven. Then I'm gonna make it like a puree. Then with some meat, tomatoes, and it's gonna be, I guess, good. I also my mother makes always when I'm in the home, so I'm gonna try to make it today for you guys. But I didn't make it before that, so it could be really
Well, actually,
untasty.
today is your
Mama's
first
food.
time. It's first time.
It's my first time. Yeah, it's my
And
first
we
time.
should say your expectations shouldn't be too much.
Too much, yeah.
Especially from you.
Actually, this is my maybe it's my fourth time I will taste Turkish food, so I think
So it's gonna be good
yeah,
for you.
it's good for me.
And Bilal also is my not
Second
but
cooker.
Who is the chef? Who is the chef today?
That's mean you are the main chef and Bilal is your assistant.
I am main chef because I think my friend is the same building as us. We are roomies, so I'm the main chef. But at first I washed all the eggplants and we're gonna make some holes in it because in order to make bread. Yeah, my English also not very good, so
No problem.
so we just make it so to it can braid in oven, also not expire. So nice. The other ones you can also cut sometimes.
Yeah, obviously.
But
Go and help him.
it's
How to?
Yeah.
it's the best iPhone. Yeah. I also if I'm gonna buy some iPhone, I'm gonna take the red one. The other one is usual. I don't know what
Maybe you can like answer with
With iPhone,
iPhone.
he's a colorful person, so it's quite hard for me to use like everything is different than my Android phone. So. By the way, as an information, eggplant is expensive in Germany.
Yeah.
How much?
I don't know. I bought in market.
Okay.
The guy was Chinese, I guess, some Asian guy because.
He's so rich, so he doesn't do
But I like your bicycle.
Thanks. Yeah. I like cycling.
Everyone like
I like cycling. Yeah, so
because it's 800 euros.
yeah. Approximately. But I cycle a lot, so I need some good bike. And for example, on Sunday I made 140 kilometers. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's too long.
I made a circle around the sea. It was good. And we do then. I don't know what's the name of that thing. I already warmed the oven.
Preheated.
Yeah. I guess it will be enough. So we should create right now in a pandemic.
Yeah.
So everybody should wear mask.
They are
outside.
not following the rules. And
Yeah, nobody was taking any mask.
and also their giving system is not
They take everything with their bare hands.
so
Then I get out, but I realize I can't buy anything from other markets. This thing, I mean. Shit. But
You can also buy this from Taiwan.
so we should rotate the eggplants now because our oven is only one side working in one time. Yeah.
কষ্ট করে কাটতেছে মাংসগুলো দেখাও না তুমি যদি একটু না দেখাও
traveling, managing media.
slicing the meat to small pieces.
So we're going to boil or fry.
I think we're gonna wait until
Stick.
the meat's gonna take his water back.
Okay.
So at first it's gonna release all his water,
Okay.
then it will be boiled in his own water
Fire.
again.
Okay.
Then we put something.
The heat is okay?
Yeah, it's okay. You know better. Yeah. Bir daha söylesene.
Var var. Hepsini mi koyacağız?
And we put some cheese, like Gouda.
It's gonna be so tasty.
Obviously, must be.
Okay, probably that's enough. Because you know it's not the cheapest.
Mixed it?
Yeah, please, thank you.
It is white from cobbler.
Okay, just
Tekrar yayalım biraz. Yani düz olsun. Üstüne et koy.
okay, this is only for video, but I shouldn't say that. Okay, Bilal, that's enough. Just
Şimdi bana bir kaşık versene. Temiz bir kaşık. Benim bıçak oldu.
vereyim. Bunu biraz daha kızdırsam mıydı?
Sıçıyor abi. Ya şey ya. Aynen öyle.
I want to use this plate, not this.
It's also good. Okay, you can take